Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by logging into Fiverr and confirming your account verification. This avoids interruptions when you edit sensitive fields. Once done, open your profile menu and go straight to Settings, then to Public Profile. That's where the visible location lives. Make sure you have the exact new city and country spelling ready, and copy your current profile text and gig links to paste back if any formatting resets occur during the change. You'll now edit the location in your public profile. Click Edit, replace the city and country entries with the new values, and watch for any inline validation errors. Because Fiverr validates certain countries, choose the exact option from the drop-down where available. If the field accepts free text, keep punctuation minimal. After saving, refresh your profile page and view it while logged out to verify the public display. This confirms the change propagated across caches, and your gigs show the updated location. If you can't update the field because it's locked or drop-down options are missing, contact Fiverr support directly and request a location change. Explain why and attach ID or proof if asked, since platform trust rules sometimes require verification. While waiting, clear your browser cache, try a different device or browser, and resave the profile to rule out client-side issues. If support approves, they'll apply the change. If not, follow their instructions and keep screenshots of attempts to speed up resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.